What is going on, everybody? Back on the bike again. We got some beautiful weather today. It is Valentine's Day 2024, February 14th. It is 64 degrees and sunny. And it is 1:36 in the afternoon. So where are we going today? Well, we got to go and get a Valentine's gift for the wife and my daughter. I always get her something every year too. I usually get them the same thing. Get them a box of chocolates. They we don't really get each other presents for anything. We don't get each other anything for Christmas or anniversary or birthdays or anything like that. But I usually try to get them something on Valentine's Day. Just get them a box of chocolates. So that's where we're going. Yeah, I tell you, I should have put on a little more clothes. Feels good, but I tell you that wind's a little cool today. So I rode my bike Monday, Tuesday, and today. And I've got the rides from Monday and Tuesday, I've got them posted already, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move those back on posting, and I'm gonna post this one instead since it's Valentine's Day. Or what I might do is just post this one today and just leave those two to post Thursday and Monday. And just post this one today. The same day as I ride, an extra video for the week. There's a car behind me. So haven't been up to too much. Today's the last day that we're out for Mardi Gras. But I'm off tomorrow because I don't work on Thursdays anyway. So it's like I get an extra day of vacation. Got some cars coming up behind us. We'll hop on the sidewalk up here. Ooh. All right. Yeah, I tell you, it looks like the I got in my vehicle and drove the other day, and that back left tire, I aired it up before I got my air. You know, I ordered that air compressor. Well, I had to air it up before I got it, and it was at the same pressure as all the other tires. And the weather's been kind of warm, and it stayed at that pressure. It was just fine. And then it's been cold the last couple of days. At night, it's gotten down in the 30s. And now that tire, the pressure is about 2 psi lower than the other three. So I don't know what it is with that tire in the cold weather. Because during the summer, I don't have any problems with it. It stays aired up. It's just when it's cold. So I don't know what's going on with it. I wrote up some notes and stuff to make a math video this morning. That new class that I'm gonna have to teach this next fall, that's the videos I'm working on. So I'm having to relearn all that stuff. It's been probably 27 to 30 years since I've seen it. But the stuff that you got to do at the first of the class, it's not bad. There's not really much reviewing there. It's pretty straightforward. It's calculus 4. So it's pretty much the same as, I mean, it's like single variable calculus. This is just multivariable. But it all, I mean, once you start reading those definitions and theorems, you can see how it's all about the same. You just got more variables. What you honking at me for, buddy? You have to go around me. There's a guy walking out with a Valentine's balloon. I guess he's doing last minute shopping like I am. All right, we'll go lock up at our usual spot. Well, I guess it would help if I put the kickstand down first. this camera off. Take it in with me. Oh, come on, please have something. Did they? Well, it was right over here. Looks like they got Easter stuff there. There we go. Okay. Let's see. I guess we can get on this. All right, and then I got to get some vitamins. Take a multivitamin every day. Well, that's it right there. Adults 50 plus. That's the one I get. I get the one back here in the back. I don't know, they say it helps if you take it, helps you when you get sick. I've been out for about a week or so. So we got that done. All right. let's stick the key back in there. Perfect fit. Let's get, help if we put the bike key in. There it is. There we go. Well, we are done here. Got the Valentine stuff. Wasn't too bad. It's not much, but you know, it makes them happy. Yeah, really about the only thing when we buy presents for Christmas and birthdays, we just mainly focus on getting stuff for my daughter. And that's really it. Now we get my parents' stuff. And then, you know, nephews and nieces and stuff. And that's really it. There's another Johnny's Pizza. Y'all might have seen it in the videos, but I never mentioned that one. That's the one that's closest to the house. I've mentioned the one that's, you know, on the other ride when we go to the bank and stuff. But there's, I don't know, I think there's 2 or 3. I think there's 3 out here in West Monroe. And then there's, I'd say around 3 or more in Monroe. Yeah, they're all over the place. They got some pretty good pizza there. I tell you, when we were in college, we would, at lunch, we would go there and eat the buffet a lot. Yeah, when I first started college, I spent a lot of time in the student union building. They had pool tables in there, and we'd go in there and shoot pool. I spent too much time in there. But yeah, that's over there in Monroe. I went to Northeast Louisiana University for undergraduate school. It's ULM now, University of Louisiana at Monroe. And I remember when I was going there, I think it was my last 2 years there, or something like that. They built an intramural center, a nice big intramural center, and we had to pay for it in our tuition. Well, they started building it my last 2 years, and I think right when the last semester I went there when I was graduating, they had it built. But I'll say they were fair about it. They kept up with how many semesters you paid for that building, and that's how many semesters you got to go for free after you graduated. So that was good. And so I went there a couple of times. We like to play racquetball, so we would go up there and play racquetball and stuff. That was fun. And I bet y'all didn't know about this. If y'all are into sports, ULM is a powerhouse in water skiing. They've won, I think they've won like 27, 28 national championships in water skiing. They're like the top university in water skiing. I know there for a while they won several in a row. Yeah, if you get up there and Google ULM water ski team or NCAA water ski national championships, you'll see. They may have them listed, they may have some of them listed as Northeast Louisiana University or NLU, and they may have some listed as ULM. Or they may have them all listed as ULM, I don't know. But yeah, take a look at that, they're a powerhouse. I remember when some of the classes I took, there were a couple of people from the water ski team in the class. They would come from all over. I think one of them came from Canada to be on the ski team. And then the school I teach at now, we used to be a powerhouse in women's basketball. Louisiana Tech Lady Textures. Yeah, the Lady Textures. Check them out. We won some national championships there. And I don't know if y'all know who Kim Mulkey is. She's the head basketball coach at LSU. She was the head coach at Baylor, but she came to LSU. She played for Louisiana Tech. I don't want to say. I don't know why the helmet keeps going off. Well, we're just about home. I think I'm gonna call it a video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really appreciate y'all watching. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.